Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. March referendum could reshape Italy's courts. What voters need to know.
On March 22nd and 23rd, Italy will vote on a major justice reform. The Italian government wants to separate the careers of judges and prosecutors, saying it would make the judicial system more impartial. Critics, however, say it will reduce judicial independence. This referendum is seen as a key political test in view of the 2027 elections. Can you tell us why is it important, the new upcoming referendum that will happen on the 22nd and 23rd of March?
The reform concerns the organization of the judiciary. At the moment, we have judges and the prosecutors who belong to the same system. During their career, they can move from one role to the other. Basically, the reform proposes a clear separation between them. From the beginning of their career, they would follow two different career paths, and there would be no possibility of switching roles. For the supporters of the reform, this would bring some benefits. Judges would only focus on deciding cases, and prosecutors would only focus on investigations. So, for the supporters, this would result in greater judicial impartiality. On the other hand, critics of the reform are concerned because they fear more political influence over investigations, and they fear a reduction of the independence of prosecutors.
University of Trieste supports region's return to provincial government.
The University of Trieste has signed a cooperation agreement with ANCI-FVG and COMPA-FVG to support local and regional administrations as Friuli Venezia Giulia reintroduces its provinces. The partnership will develop advanced training programs for public officials, combining academic research with administrative practice. The initiative aims to strengthen legal and organizational expertise and help institutions adapt to the region's evolving governance structure.
Oggi è ancora un passo importante per COMPA, una fondazione su cui abbiamo investito pesantemente per far crescere il sistema delle autonomie locali e del comparto unico in regione Friuli Venezia Giulia. E questa crescita è testimoniata da un'ulteriore collaborazione che si va a firmare assieme all'Università di Trieste, al Dipartimento di Scienze Giuridiche, che avrà degli aspetti e delle caratteristiche interessanti. In particolare c'è un interesse da parte dell'università a collaborare con noi a quella che sarà
we have a lot of skills that could be very useful to the region and also for our municipalities. Sometimes in our region we have a lot of little municipalities, so they need to be to study, to be informed.
It's a new agreement for the students and the public administration for the future of this place.
From Milan to the world, Friuli Venezia Giulia unveils its vision for slow and authentic tourism.
At the Milan International Tourism Fair, Friuli Venezia Giulia presented its latest tourism campaign, Io Sono FVG, highlighting the region's focus on slow travel and authentic local experiences. Governor Massimiliano Fedriga and Tourism Councillor Sergio Bini said the strategy aims to strengthen this region's visibility in Italy and abroad.
Racconteremo la nostra regione, siamo presenti ormai da diversi anni al BIT, ma vogliamo continuare ad essere presenti in modo sempre più importante e oltretutto avremo anche una madrina d'eccezione.
Sì, parte da me l'orgoglio perché ho la possibilità di parlare in maniera naturale di cose mie, della mia vita, della mia terra e poi magari avere la possibilità di farmi sentire da più persone, portare più persone possibili a scoprire quello che è il Friuli Venezia Giulia perché è una terra meravigliosa.
Japan through the lens. Memories, bodies and vision on view in Trieste.
In Trieste, Japan Corpi Memorie Visioni presents over 80 photographs and videos by 16 contemporary Japanese artists, exploring memory, identity, and perception. The exhibition runs through June 7, 2026 at the Magazzino delle Idee.
La nostra regione è stata caratterizzata da secoli dalla presenza del confine, anche con accezione ostile. Ora questa caratteristica di muro divisivo è stata persa ed è stata acquistata un'accezione invece positiva di nuova opportunità di amicizia con chi sta al di là del confine.
So here we are in the rooms of Japan, Bodies, Memories, Visions, the exhibition which is opening today. On display there are 16 different photographers and video makers from contemporary photographers and video makers from Japan. It's a broad survey, but through the works of these artists, we try to convey the idea of what is happening, not only from the point of view of technical, let's say, approach towards these means of expression, but also how they represent the Japanese society, which fascinates us even today so much, is changing nowadays.
From cafe tables to castle proposals, how Trieste celebrates Valentine's Day. It's officially the most romantic day of the year. Are Friuli Venezia Giulia dwellers celebrating St. Valentine's?
Okay, so I'm not really celebrating this year because I'm single, but I'm still enjoying by myself and my friends, all my single friends. So that's it.
Oh, St. Valentine's, I think I will be outside of Trieste during the day, but in the evening I will meet my girlfriend. So I will spend with her some hours in a party with some friends.
We usually don't celebrate St. Valentine's. Sometimes get out for dinner, but not during the festivity.
For us, celebrate every day.
I don't like celebrate the Valentine's Day.
I'm actually single, so I'm not actually celebrating tomorrow.
Siamo qua a Trieste e andremo in Slovenia domani a celebrare San Valentino. Sì.
Faremo un giro come facciamo di solito e andiamo a mangiare.
Celebrating St. Valentine.
Well, actually we already celebrate today because I proposed my girlfriend. Yes.
And I said yes.
At the Miramare Castle.
Yes. Excited?
Yes, I'm excited. And I'm feeling well.
Valresia Carnival, where masks, music and tradition dance through the Alp.
Every February, deep in Valresia in Friuli Venezia Giulia, something ancient awakens.
In the village of San Giorgio, the Resia Carnival bursts into life.
Dancers in dazzling white dresses and handmade flower hats whirl through the streets. For hours, it's pure energy as the community celebrates the end of winter.
Che significato ha questo carnevale per Valresia?
Tu vieni a Resia, non hai il carnevale che trovi a Venezia, che trovi in altre parti d'Italia. Trovi una cosa genuina, una cosa particolare, che è nel cuore di tutti i resiani e di tutta la gente che vive in questa vallata.
Carnival is explosion of colors and music and dancing and all the color of the world. And our dresses are the white of the snow with the color of the flower that represents springs and yes, color, joy and all the beautiful things of the world.
We always wait 1 year for this event and it's the time we can enjoy it all together and feel like a community and live like a community.
We are here to celebrate a special Italian Carnevale. It's boost for this region, Friuli Venezia Giulia, and we are in Resia Valley. And this is an ancient carnival. It lasts for hundreds of years. And so we are here to celebrate this special day.
I'm not from here, really, but I love so much this place. And then I'm so happy to be here.
This Sunday, Muggia's carnival came to life.
In the seaside town of Muggia, Carnival reaches its peak this Sunday as the 72nd annual parade fills the streets with towering floats and masked revelers. And after days of rain, sunshine arrives just in time for the celebration.
We came here every year. We enjoy so much this
this type of holiday and dress like a crazy character. And this year we decided to dress like It's Mein Kronk from Disney picture emperor's groups.
I'm here in Muggia because it's carnival, it's a very funny event, and I enjoy to see the costumes, the mascherine, okay?
We love carnival here in Muggia, it's a big tradition for us. We come here every year. Every year we try to change our costume, but it's like to be together and have fun.
Noi lavoriamo da ottobre, quindi c'è un gruppo, c'è unione, poi in sfilata. Ci si diverte tantissimo, è bellissimo, è bellissimo. Lo facciamo da tanti anni, abbiamo iniziato con un gruppetto di 8 persone e adesso siamo in 20 ed è bellissimo.
My costume is a carousel and we are of Bellezze Naturali, the first to go on the parade today. It's really fun and you get emotional. You see a lot of people, and it's a small city, so you know a lot of people, and it's really nice.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.